Hi everyone, I'm at the hospital with the young man that was driving that big truck, the one that rolled down by Builders Warehouse, and he ended up being ejected from the truck and it crushed a couple of cars. He's fine, I'm with him now, and his family. This is his wonderful family over here. It's everybody. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so that you know, the real story is, quite frankly, his brakes did fail, and he came down one of the other roads, it's Kukuza Road, at a speed. And there's a story that you need to know about what this man did and how he saved somebody else's life. So I'm going to let you hear the story now. Okay, go Kim.
Can I tell you what I witnessed, what I'd seen that day? I was coming up where Reynolds, coming up that hill. Opposite me is the Total Garage. I was with my daughter here, coming home, innocently driving. I was driving up the hill, not very fast, but going up. And next thing I looked and I just saw you in front of me. I saw your truck in front of me, and I knew my life was gone. That was the end of me and my daughter. But you didn't. I blew my hooter, and you saved my life. You were in my lane, and I know why you were in my lane. You were in my lane because in the left-hand lane was another vehicle, and you did not want to go over that vehicle. It occurred straight. When I first saw you, I thought you were overtaking that car. But at the speed you were going, and the way you missed me, and you went to the left, I said, this man's brakes had failed. I knew there and then your brakes failed. I couldn't see behind me, I was in too much shock, but my daughter saw you. And she said to me afterwards, she saw your face, she saw the anguish in your face, and the pain in your face, and the way your hands were on the steering. You did not want to hurt anyone. You did not want to cause an accident. I expected to hear a big bang, which I did hear. I heard a massive explosion. I didn't know if you were a gas truck, a diesel or petrol, but I knew you were a tanker. And I said, this thing has exploded. I still hadn't turned around to look at it. I then went up the hill. I made a U-turn at the Artel place, and I faced down to the Builders Warehouse. And I was expecting to see all bodies on that floor, but I didn't. And I said, this was God helping us. My daughter said to me, Mommy, did you see how you came around that bend? You did not want to hurt anyone. You came around that bend to save everyone's life. And then from what I had seen on the video, I saw you touch me. You saved my life. You saved that of my daughters, and I've got 4 children. You saved our lives, saved my life and my kids and my sister over here. Thank you. My daughter was crying, and she's crying now. She was crying in that truck that day.
For you.
It was for you.
I promise you, I couldn't wait. I can still pray the whole day. It's hard you that you were at
We lit a candle for you. I kissed the floor of my house when I walked in my front door, and I said prayers for you. I couldn't believe you were alive, and that's because of you. Thank you, Yahweh. Thank you. God played a really big part. He played everything in us. I didn't think I would see you lying here. I thought you were alive. I saw that video that was going around. I wouldn't show my daughter. I said I hadn't seen anything. And that was before I knew you were fine. I said to whoever, I said, this man did not make it. I didn't know who you were. I said, but when I saw that cab against the wall, I said, you did not make it. Only to hear from my sister's son that you did. And I was so happy. I was so excited about what you did.
I just felt when the truck overturned, I just felt somebody lifted me up. And the next moment I felt somebody's lying on the water. There was no hard splashes, no impact. The moment when I was lying in that water, I said, thank you God, I saved my life.
It is. And that's how we felt at home. We said, thank you God, you saved my sister's life and her daughter's life. All because you're such a good man, God helped you to not have all this traumatic experience.
Everything was in God's hands.
All in God's hands, and because you believe this is how we all got saved, and you avoided such a big calamity, a big destructive calamity.
I met you. I really hurt.
would not tell my daughter. I didn't show her pictures. I didn't show her anything because I honestly didn't think you would be sick. You know, when I heard you were fine, that there were no. I still drove past later at about 1:45 to fetch my son from school. I still went that way. The police were directing the traffic, and I stopped to ask the officer. I said, "Were there any fatalities?" And he said, "No." And in my mind, I said, "You know what? He's just telling me that." And I wouldn't pursue it because I had my daughter with me again. I wouldn't pursue it. I just left it. And all I was praying, I said, "Please God, you put your hand on this man and all these people that were here and don't let there be fatalities."
Thank you for
Johan,
being
you're a true hero, really, for saving my sister's life and my niece's life, for what you did, really, and to have that mindset to do such a thing in your big problem that you had with brakes failing and all, and still to think to save these people's lives. Really, God bless you. Really, God bless you.
Could have been gone. I was expecting the absolute worst. I really was when I turned that vehicle around. I was still looking on the floor. I think it was the rubbish from the bin. I thought that was perhaps people. I said, I really had to study there. But
Thank you. Thank you so much for being
I'm just glad you're here.
glad to visit me.
We just had to come and see you from Monday. Kim's been trying to get hold of you and just try and find out where you are. Then eventually she told me to please contact Sarah, Councillor Sarah, to ask her if she knew, and then she told us, you know. And Kim said Councillor Sarah will know because she's on top of everything. She knows how to, you know, she's really very, very good and on top of all matters in the district. Thank you, Councillor
You're welcome.
Sarah.
Thank you so much.
Okay, everyone, now you've got the true story about what happened here, and there was 2 families' lives that were saved in the process. So I want to just also say thank you very much to the family for allowing us to come through and see your dad. I really appreciate the fact that you guys let me come bring these wonderful people through. We appreciate it. So thanks very much, everybody. So, my feel-good moment for Friday. Have a good weekend.